Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another video, and this time it's how to make a cucumber pineapple agua fresca, and it's super easy to make. You're going to need the ingredients pictured here. Here I have 10 cups of water at room temperature. It dissolves better with the sugar when it's at room temperature. You're going to need 2 cups of pineapple, 1 cup of sugar, and then here I have two cucumbers that have been rinsed off already and cleaned off. So what I'm going to do is, of course, start by cutting off the ends and then rubbing them and then chopping it up. And then what I'll do is combine that with my sugar and the pineapple into the blender here. Now this will release more water from it, so it'll take up a little more of a space in the pitcher, and of course I'm going to top it off with ice. So go ahead and begin by chopping on the ends of the cucumbers, and I rub off the ends. Not sure if anyone else does this in other countries. I've always done that. It just releases this here, so that's why I do it. Alright, so now I'll go ahead and repeat the process with the other cucumber. And of course I'm going to peel them and chop them off. I am going to leave some just for presentation towards the top of the pitcher. So let's go ahead and repeat the process. Okay, and so the next part, I'm just going to peel my cucumbers just like this. And then of course rinse them off. What I'm going to do is just cut off just some here, just about like 4 for the very top of the agua fresca, and repeat the process. I do invite you to check out other agua frescas within the channel. I do have the limonada, the melon. Watermelon is also listed there, so be sure to check that out. Okay, perfect. Now that I rinsed off, I'm going to go ahead and cut up. Just so it's easier to blend, just go ahead. Okay, next step, go ahead and add in your cucumbers. Pineapples. Now this will go ahead and blend first, and then we'll add in the water into the pitcher. So go ahead and blend. You go ahead and add some water to get the blender to go. And blend. Perfect. Your mix should look something like this. So I'm going to go ahead and incorporate that into my pitcher now. And of course, give that a good mix. Okay, the next thing I want to do here is pour in the cup of sugar and then give that a good mix. Your agua fresca should look something like this. So of course we're going to just decorate it with a little bit of cucumbers just on the top. Okay guys, and there you have it. Your agua fresca is perfect for your weekday dinner or get together barbecue, what have you. But it's super delicious. It's the perfect amount of sweetness, I think. So I'm sure that you will enjoy it as well. And with that being said, I do want to thank you so much for having been here. If you haven't already, feel free to subscribe to this growing YouTube family.